So there's something to hold on to. I mean, after a while, you read whole Madhyan Leela, and there's a whole sequence of Leelas. Dandatmika, every 24 minutes, different Leelas. So as you get more absorbed, you can sit down and go from Leela to Leela. It's called Swarasiki Upasana. But everywhere, all the acharyas and Antadharma says, think Leela, think Leela, think Leela. 1968, Prabhupada's letter. In others, when you chant Krishna's names, you should think of Leela. Prabhupada's telling it on folio. 51 years ago. And so people are saying, no, Prabhupada said don't think of Leela. Show this. What is this? Oh, well that was then. That doesn't apply now. That was then. The devotees were only in the movement for 1.5 years. July 66 starts ISKCON. 68 is 1.5 years later. 1.5 years later, the disciple writes, oh Prabhupada, when I'm chanting Hare Krishna, sometimes I think of Krishna's lilas. The devotees say, oh, that's nonsense. Just hear the holy name. Prabhupada said, let me write a letter. Prabhupada, so is this okay? He said, yes, this is very good. Yes, this is very good. You must come to the point where you're chanting Hare Krishna and remembering Krishna's lila. So how do you come to that point unless you start remembering? You remember, it's called rote memory. You look at the verse and you speak it, and you look, and keep looking. So you keep looking, then you memorize the verse. You look and think and speak. Now what was that verse? Dehinashwin Yatade Kamran, and pretty soon. If you have any kind of brain, it sticks. The same thing with Leela. I can think of so many Leelas. This is all inside. It's nice. So it's like, it's like everyone's head is like a big rock, and taking this big fat hammer, sledgehammer we call it, crack, like come on man, get to it. It's not Maya. First get all the fear out of your brain. Even all brainwashed and become fearful. The medicine everyone needs, everyone's been denied. Everyone's dying of cancer and some guy has a cancer cure. No, don't take that cure. Keep your cancer. And look around at everybody. You go to these mandirs and these missions. Everyone's frustrated, everyone's unhappy, everyone's disturbed. Everyone wants something, hankering. This is not the thing. This is not bhakti. So you don't need any mandirs. You have your pictures, you have your house, you have your family. But do your bhajan. Hear Leela, think Leela. Don't think, I have so many aparads. Why talk yourself into being bad? Why preach to yourself how bad you are? Okay, we're all bad. Now what? You're very bad. Yeah, I'm very bad. Now what? No, you're very good. You can only rise to the potential you see yourself possible of attaining. You set your goal there and you go there. But okay, it's nice to feel low, and I'm not qualified. I'm Nikunj Vihari. I'm so lusty, I'm really greedy, and I can't control myself. Forget about all that stuff. We don't care about that. Who cares about that? That's a given. That's a given. And, it's just me. Nobody else is like me. Everybody's the same way. Everybody's lusty. Everybody's greedy. Everybody's angry. So forget about all that. Just do bhajan. Just do what you're told to do by the Guru. Hear Leela, read Leela, pray to Leela, remember Leela, and chant Hare Krishna. Very simple yoga.